keep your mind open and be willing to get outside your comfort zone and shoot whatever you can shoot. So for those of you that complain to me that I don't want to shoot property tours, or those of you that I don't like doing those types of videos, he is living proof for you guys that you can shoot anything you want if you have persistence and you follow through with it over time, and you can become very successful.
So let's start. This year, probably I will have a turnover on commissions about $1 million, and it's thanks to YouTube. Prague is a very beautiful city, but we are here because of the business, so I will tell you how it looks like in Prague from the real estate point of view. So Prague is typical seller's market. A lot of potential buyers, just few listings. The market is very hot. Almost every year are pricing higher and higher. So if you have a listing, you have almost money in the pocket. So here is really a lot of agents that are trying to get the listings, and who has the listing is the king. So just to understand why YouTube works and why it's so powerful. So if you publish videos on the YouTube, you will get overall awareness. The people are starting knowing you, and not just the residents of the city, but also people from other regions and other countries. Usually, maybe 20% of our customers are the people from other countries. We don't see them, we just call and they will send us the key and say, sell our property. And they do it because of they know me through the YouTube channel. They have a total trust just because of the YouTube channel. And it develops a really close connection to the subscribers and really huge trust. So these results, we have now about 5 listing leads weekly, and I would like to mention that are high quality listings because of the trust. It's not cold call or cold contact. Most of the people know me, accept the condition, accept the commission, so it's not so difficult to talk to them. They are very often easy clients. So that's why I expect turnover this year about 1 million USD, and we will have more than 1 transactions. So here are the really major things that you should keep to have a success on YouTube. So first is to publish videos long term. So I do the YouTube channel already 4 years. So the success is not on the beginning. I got first good deals after 2 years publishing. So it's not really quick start. Maybe you will be smarter than me, but if you will be the same like me, so you will need some time to get the success. But I had a very interesting discussion with one guy in Czech Republic. It's the famous YouTuber in Czech Republic, first YouTuber who had more than 10 million subscribers on YouTube. And he said, if you like the video of some author, looks in the past, and you will find out that this creator is making videos really long time. For example, 4, 5, 10 years. And you will see the first videos and you will understand that he was on the beginning really bad YouTuber, bad creator. But he was still be able to making new and new videos and improving in the time. And that's why the videos are now great. And that's true. If you look on anybody who is successful on YouTube, you will find out that it's not from day-to-day success. It's a really long time run. For me, it was first results were after 2 years. Now are 4 years. I do it 4 years, and longer I will do it, bigger success I will have. So then another very important keystone is to do it regularly, regular publishing. So the best is to do it every week. That's because of YouTube. YouTube evaluate every creator. And if you will publish every week, you will be better evaluated by YouTube, and YouTube will recommend you more people on YouTube. That's one thing. Second thing is, if you create continuously base of subscribers, the subscribers are awaiting that they will get the content regular. So usually the people are meeting me on the street and saying, I'm looking forward for next video Thursday, because every subscriber knows that I publish Wednesday in the evening. So that's very important. Another thing is that you have to find out interesting topics. So not everything will be favorite on YouTube, and you have to think about what's interesting for the people. We will talk about later about a set of interesting topics. I will show the topics that are most interesting for the people on my channel. You should think also about the attractive titles, because the people should click on the video. So the title must be attractive, and to support it also with attractive thumbnails. Sometimes I see very good video, but the thumbnail is boring. It's nothing interesting there. So always the thumbnail is very important. Then very important is also professional edit. So usually in my videos, part of the video I am on camera, and part of the video there is my voiceover, and there is something on the camera what I am talking about. And the edit is very important to keep the video interesting. But the person who will with you will cooperate should know how to make a good edit and interesting edit. And on the end, I would like to mention all the small things. Many small things, other small things must be done, like descriptions, text, subtitles, chapters, etc. It's maybe for 1-2 hours to do it for every video, but it's very important also. So let's continue with the best topics. My channel is about living in Prague, about Prague. So it's really for everybody who lives in Prague or who is interesting in Prague. So it's not just about the properties, not just about the real estate. So that's why my YouTube channel is so powerful. Because of this channel, I am able to get between normal people. Just with the real estate content, you will not get in contact with normal people. The real estate content will be interesting just for the people who are interested in real estate. So the best topics, always you will do best if you will do video something about cheapest or luxury properties, or best lunch, or cheapest margarita, or most expensive house, doesn't matter. But if you will use extremes, this always the people will be interested in. So that are the top videos, but you cannot do just top videos. You should do content for the people. So as a YouTuber, you provide service to the people to understand the city. So you should also do other topics. So another interesting topic what people like is about development of the locality. Every city is changing, and in every city are important private or city projects that have an impact on the place. So you will present these projects, these changes. You will say what is it exactly, describe it, and say what will be future of the place, etc. Really, people really like it. Another interesting topic is public transport. Here in Prague we have a really great public transport. People like it. So for example, subway. You cannot imagine how many people are fans of public transport. So you will say all the highlights of the public transport. Your subscribers or the people would like to know also your opinions, because all we are people and they should understand you and more, and they should know you. So everybody has an opinion, and you should say what's your opinion on the issues of the city. I don't know what is the issue of the city. For Prague is, for example, tourism. Here is over tourism, really a lot of people, and it's really changed life in the city. For example, traffic can be the issue, vandalism, criminality, homelessness, environment, or anything else what's in your city. So also nice videos are about the locality. So you will really describe in the detail what's in the locality. So what's the past of the locality, what's present, what's future, what are nice places, what are the great restaurants, all the highlights of the place. And then share it in the Facebook group of the people who are living in that locality. And for sure, all these people will know you. So 10 nice videos are also about interesting properties. So usually in every city is some historically significant building or otherwise interesting building. For example, in New York, it's Empire State Building. So if I will be in New York, I will do video about Empire State Building, etc. And on the end, because it's always to also mention that you are from real estate, one of few videos to do about real estate advisory. So classic topics like when buy, when sell, how to buy, how to sell, how to evaluate, market outlook, what to check before buying, how to negotiate, etc. It's a million of topics, and it's a right mix if you put there always the real estate advisory. And what I do is that I change topic every week. So 1 week I will do something about for example, the best margarita in the city. Another week I will do something about interesting properties in the place. Another week, real estate advisory, etc., etc., etc. And I mix it all time. And then the content or the channel is not boring, because the people will get always something different. So now, because it's a lot of work, so I cannot do it myself. Usually, as mentioned down in the presentation, every video is about 33 man hours. If I will do YouTube, I cannot do real estate. So I have to have help. So my position or my contribution is that I am looking for the topics. So always I'm thinking what about I should make a video. Then I will do a research for the topic, and I write script. It takes me about 12 hours, and it's including time in front of camera. So another member team is John. Team member is John. John always rewrite my script into YouTube language and define what part should be on camera and what part should be voiceover. And then after video is ready, he will make some final video amendments. He spends with every video about 3 hours and cost 400 USD. So it's really expensive, but I cannot imagine that without him I will be successful, because he set all the keystones what I was talking about from the beginning. He was telling me all these things and guide me to keep them. Another team member is Lucas. He's a camera guy and makes edit and thumbnail. He spends about 14 hours and costs about 400 USD. Another team member is Flower. It's a great name. And she does all the smart things. It takes 2 hours to publish it on YouTube, make a detailed description, chapters, Czech and also English subtitles, text. And the last team member is Martin, and she's spreading the videos on social media, so making reel and publishing everywhere, and contribute and put all the videos into related FB social groups. For example, if the video is about the locality, she will find all the Facebook groups about the locality, the specific locality, and put it there. And it makes also really sense, because the people can know me in the locality and they really like the videos about the locality where they are living.